Hello everyone, my name is Pukar Dhital. I'm an English instructor and today we're covering Grade 5 English. We're covering the grammar portion of the chapter talking about month and season. We'll cover prepositions and paragraph writing. Let's begin the class.
Now let's talk about the grammar of talking about month and season. Okay, so number 7, grammar, and we'll start with prepositions. Alright, so what is preposition? And in this case, however, we're just following on at, on, and in. However, preposition is not limited to at, on, and in. There's much more to preposition. Okay, so I'll just give you a general idea of what preposition is. So to start with the definition, preposition is a word used to link nouns, pronouns, or phrases to other words within a sentence. Now, preposition, or you can, let's say, they act to connect the people, objects, time, and locations of a sentence. See, so in a way, prepositions always act as a bridge to connect. All right, we'll further clarify this with an example. A preposition is a word used to link nouns, pronouns, or phrases to other words within a sentence. They act to connect the people, objects, time, and locations of a sentence. Okay, so some of the examples. Okay, so we'll clarify with examples. So the examples: I prefer to read in the library. I prefer to read in the library. Number B, he climbed up the ladder to get onto the roof. Take your sister with you. Number D, I was born in 1986. Same case here, okay? He was born on March, let's say, 14th, 1986. I was born at exactly 9:14 a.m. G, the cat is under the table. Okay, so here are the sentences given here. Now take around 2 to 3 minutes time to figure out, underline the prepositions here in these examples. All right, and remember, prepositions are not just limited to the words which are about to underline in a while. Okay, all right, are you done with it? So let's check number A. I prefer to read. Remember what? Name the word which connects. I prefer to read to the library here. See, the word in here acts as a preposition and is connecting the whole sentence here. I prefer to read where? In the library. See, this is how it answers. Where? In the library. This is the prepositions here. I climbed, look at here, number B. I climbed up the ladder. He climbed up the ladder. So he climbed is connected to the ladder by the word up. So I climbed up the ladder to get. So where is he trying to? Where is the subject here trying to get? To get onto the roof. Again, onto is also preposition here. All these words which I'm underlining here, this zigzag line. All right, these are all prepositions. Take a sister with you. Look at, in this case, take a sister with you. I was born in 1986. In is preposition here. He was born. Again, it's very specific. Remember, in this particular exercise, we're focusing only on in, on, and at. So that's why he was born in 1986. I was born in 1986. He was born on March 14th, 1986. I was born at exactly 9:14 a.m. And finally, the cat is under the table. So see, just like the definition says here, a preposition is a word used to link nouns, pronouns, or phrases to other words within a sentence. Now, if you look at it, all right, all these prepositions are linking the subject, are linking the words together to form a perfect sentence. Okay, they act as a bridge. See, they act to connect the people, objects, time, and locations of a sentence. Right? So all the connections that's needed in the sentence is often made by preposition. And remember, as the definition says, used to link or to connect noun, pronouns, or phrases to other words within a sentence. Okay, so there's much to prepositions. So let's proceed with the exercise for now. Okay, and remember here, we use at. Remember, we use these prepositions of time in the blanks. We're just focusing these prepositions for now. At, on, and in. And look at this note again. Observe this note. We use at with fixed time and festival. So whenever something is fixed, we use at. With months. All right. So whenever there's month, we use in. Or even if it's years or seasons. And finally, we use on. So this is how we have at, in, and on with days and dates. With specific dates and dates we use on. So she came here. Now our task here is to fill these prepositions, fill this grammar portion here. She came here. Remember, with days, it's always she came here on Monday. His father always gets up. Look at that, fixed time. It says, see, the hint is right here. Fixed time. His father always gets up at 6:30. They were born. What does it say about in? With months, years, or seasons. That's why they were born in spring. All right. Now, having these three done and with hint provided right here, you can of course do the rest yourself. And we have here number 8, spelling, and it says add full to these words. Beauty plus full. Our only objective here is to add this suffix here, full, full, at last. Okay, so this is what we can also call it suffix. So where we are adding this, in this case, we are just being particular with full. Okay, and we're being particular with full that we can call it as suffix, something we add at the end of the word. Okay, so full, which we also call suffix, are the number of letters added at the end of the word. But when we add beauty plus full, and when it becomes beautiful, look at the spelling of beautiful now. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L, beautiful. We don't write B-A-U-T-Y-F-U-L, beautiful. See? Now, let's continue with the next exercise. Yes. Next word, harm plus full equals to R-M-F-U-L, harmful. Okay? We don't write harmful as H-A-R-M-F-U-L-L, harmful. Similarly, let's continue further. Use plus F-U-L, use. All right, so we write it as useful. Okay, we just take in single L. Similarly, care plus F-U-L, full. This brings us careful. C-A-R-E-F-U-L, careful. So, and it's a very simple exercise. And provided that you're confused, please always take help of a dictionary. Make sure dictionary is next to you. Whenever you are confused, consult or refer to dictionary. And this way you can add suffix successfully to all the examples given here, or rather to all the exercises given here. And the next would be F-E-A-R, fear, plus F-U-L, fearful. Plenty plus full. Teaspoon plus full. Duty plus full. Dutiful. Okay, now again, cheer plus full. Figure that out. And now harm plus full. Again, you have to figure that out yourself. See, so this is a very simple exercise, which obviously you can do it in the classroom. Read and act. Now, while reading and acting, remember the title itself is read and act. So one of you from the classroom can take the role of Peter, the other can take the role of Dorze, and maybe you'll converse for some time. Let's say you have this conversation till here, and after that, all right, your other friend will stand up and take the role of Peter, and Dorje. So this way, lot many of you can participate. So let's see what it's all about. Read and act. Peter, excuse me. Dorje, yes please. Peter, where are you from? Dorje, from Nepal. Do you want to know anything about Nepal? Peter, yes. Could you tell me something about the climate in your country? Dorje, of course. In Nepal, especially in the hilly areas, winter is very cold and in summer it is very hot. Spring and autumn are pleasant seasons. Peter, when does winter begin? Dorje, from November. Peter, when does it rain more? Dorje, it rains heavily in July and August. Peter, thank you very much. You're welcome, says Dorje. Okay, very short conversation between Peter and Dorje. Now here's one more exercise, pronunciation. Okay, so here are number of words given here, and this time we have silent, consonant, letters. All right. So what is consonant, by the way? So say in English, when you say vowels, of course you must be knowing A, E, I, O, U are vowels. So all the letters apart from vowels are all consonant letter. All right, except vowels are called consonant letters. So let's figure out the words given here. Now, first of all, before we begin the pronunciation, what I want you all to do is underline the consonant letters here. Consonant silent letter or silent consonant letters here. Okay, so let's pronounce first of all. Talk, walk, chalk, would, should, could, know, night, knee, come, bum, tomb. Have you figured it out? So let's go here. So first of all, here L is silence. So what are silence letters? The letters which are hidden or which we don't pronounce. See, L is here, but we don't say talk. We don't say talk. We say talk. See, the phonic sound, the pronunciation L is not there. That's why it's silent. It's not audible. It's not. We don't pronounce L as such, though the letter L is in the word. That's why it is. We call it silent letter. Talk, L is silent. Walk, again L is silent. Chalk, again L is silent. Would, again L is silent. Should, again L is silent. Could, again L is silent. Know, again the initial K is silent. Night, again the initial K is silent. Knee, again the initial K is silent. Come, again the last two letter B is silent here. Bum, again the last letter B is silent. And finally tomb, again the last letter B is silent here. So see, this is how we pronounced it, and this is how we figured out the silence letter here. And finally we have here a writing person, which is about read about the winter season and write about the summer season. So let's read it out, what's written about winter season. There are 4 seasons in a year. Winter is one of them. It is very cold. It comes after the autumn season and before the spring season. It generally falls in the months of November, December, and January. People wear sweaters and jackets. They like to sit near fire and enjoy sunbathing. They don't prefer to go out because of severe cold. So this is about winter. So see, and as a homework now, in a similar way, write a paragraph about the summer season. See, this you can do as a homework, and for reference, see how this paragraph is written about winter. So thank you very much, and if you have any queries, feel free to email us at learning@deerwalk.edu.np. Thank you very much.